Hey there, Salesforce enthusiasts! Welcome to the Salesforce Solutions Hub, your go-to destination for all things Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, we've got you covered. At Salesforce Solutions Hub, we're not just a channel, we're your growth partner. We understand the challenges businesses face in the ever-evolving Salesforce ecosystem, and we're here to help you overcome them. Our mission is simple: empower businesses like yours to thrive with the power of Salesforce. How do we do that? Through our content-packed tutorials that address specific challenges you face daily. From mastering Salesforce automation to unlocking the secrets of effective data management, our short and sweet tutorials are designed to give you the knowledge and skills you need to supercharge your business. But that's not all. We're also your guide on the path to Salesforce certification success. Our mission is simple: empower businesses like yours to thrive with the power of Salesforce and equip you with the skills needed to ace those certifications. From navigating the intricacies of Salesforce admin to mastering development and beyond, our content-packed tutorials are designed to prepare you for Salesforce certification success. We break down complex concepts into bite-sized lessons, making your journey to certification not just educational but enjoyable. Ever found yourself stuck on a Salesforce problem? Fret not. We're not just about tutorials, we're your support system too. Drop your queries in the comments and we'll be right there with solutions. Your success is our success, and we're committed to helping you every step of the way. Don't miss out on the latest tips, tricks, and certification insights. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, a growing startup, or an established enterprise, Salesforce Solutions Hub is your dedicated resource for success in the Salesforce ecosystem. Let's grow together. Subscribe now and let's unlock the full potential of your business with Salesforce Solutions Hub. Your success story starts here.